There are various types of brotherhood. Brotherhood based on blood relationship, on creed, on caste, on color, on region, etc. But all these brotherhoods, they are limited. Islam does not believe in discrimination of caste, color, region, etc. But Islam believes in universal brotherhood. I start my talk with a quotation from the glorious Quran from Surah Hujurat, chapter number 49, verse number 13. يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير. O mankind, we have created you from a single pair of a male and female and divided you into nations and tribes so that you may recognize each other, not that you may despise each other. And the most honored among you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. And Allah is all-knowing, well-acquainted. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that, O mankind, we have created you from a single pair of a male and female. And the origin of human beings, it is Adam and Eve, may Allah be pleased with them. They are great-grandparents. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala further continues and says, O mankind, we have created you from a single pair of a male and female and divided you into nations and tribes so that you may recognize each other, not that you may despise each other. And the criterion for judgment in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it's not caste, it's not color, it's not race, it's not region, but it is righteousness, it is God consciousness, it is taqwa, it is piety. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Rum, chapter number 30, verse number 22. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَاخْتِلَافُ أَلْسِنَتِكُمْ وَأَلْوَانِكُمْ. And among signs are that He created the heavens and the earth, and He made different languages and colors. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that He has made different languages. Some languages, we might find it funny, but all languages, they are beautiful. And for the people who speak that language, they find it the most beautiful language. So every language on the face of it, it is a beautiful language. It may sound funny because we are not used to it. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made us into different colors so that we may recognize each other, not that we may despise each other. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 70. وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ. And we have honored the children of Adam. All the children of Adam have been honored by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, irrespective of caste, of color, of race, of region, etc. All the children of Adam, they have been honored by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And most of the religions, they believe that the origin of human beings, it is Adam and Eve, may Allah be pleased with them. So the origin of human beings, it is Adam and Eve, may Allah be pleased with them. And most of the religions, they believe that Eve, she committed the sin, and they put the whole blame on Eve, may Allah be pleased with her. But Islam totally disagrees with this. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that both of them did the sin, both of them repented, and both of them were forgiven. So the blame is equally put on both, on Adam as well as on Eve, may Allah be pleased with them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Araf, chapter number 7, verse number 19 to 27. Adam, may Allah be pleased with him, is addressed more than a dozen times. And there is not a single place in the glorious Quran where the blame is put on Eve alone. The blame is put on equally both. And most of the religions, they believe that the whole of humanity is born in sin because Eve, may Allah be pleased with her, she committed the sin. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Taha, chapter number 20, verse number 121. وَعَصَىٰ آدَمُ رَبَّهُ فَغَوَىٰ. And Adam disobeyed his Lord. So in Islam, the blame is equally put on both, on Adam as well as on Eve. And most of the religions, they believe that Eve, she committed the sin. And therefore, pregnancy is a curse for her. The whole humanity is born in sin, and pregnancy is a curse for the woman. Whereas according to Islam, pregnancy, it uplifts the woman and does not degrade her. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 1. وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ الَّذِي تَسَاءَلُونَ بِهِ وَالْأَرْحَامِ. Respect the womb that bore you.